Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today, we will talk about a very important topic, the importance of English in modern life. English is everywhere. We see it, we hear it, we use it, on mobile phones, on computers, in schools, in offices, on social media. Many people feel afraid of English. They say, "I cannot speak well. My grammar is weak. I feel shy." But remember, English is not difficult. English is a skill. Anyone can learn it. In this video you will learn why English is important, how it helps in life, how you can improve daily. Watch till the end. Practice with me. English is a global language. People in many countries speak English. When people from different nations meet, they use English. Example, an Indian meets a Chinese, a French meets a Korean, a Brazilian meets a German. They speak English. English connects people. It builds bridges. It removes borders. It creates understanding. Because of English, we can talk. We can learn. We can work. We can grow. Without English, communication becomes hard. With English, life becomes easy. Education is the base of life. English is the key of education. Most books are in English. Most exams are in English. Most courses are in English. If you know English, you understand better. You read faster. You write clearly. You learn deeply. English helps students to ask questions, give answers, join discussions, share ideas. Good English means good confidence, good marks, good future. Learning English is learning power. Today, jobs are competitive. Many people apply. Few people get selected. Why? Because companies want good skills, good attitude, good English. English helps you speak in interviews, write professional emails, talk to clients, give presentations. Without English, you feel nervous. You feel confused. You lose chances. With English, you feel strong. You feel ready. You feel successful. English increases your value. Confidence is very important. A confident person shines. English builds confidence. When you speak clearly, people listen. When you speak boldly, people respect. When you speak politely, people trust. English helps you express feelings, share opinions, tell stories, give suggestions. Silence is safe, but silence is limiting. Speaking is risky, but speaking is powerful. Choose power. Choose English. We live in a digital world. Internet is our teacher. Most websites are in English. Most apps are in English. Most videos are in English. If you know English, you can learn online, work online, earn online, teach online. Online jobs need English. Freelancing needs English. Remote work needs English. English is digital currency. Travel changes life. English makes travel easy. At airport, at hotel, at hospital, at market. English helps you speak. English helps you understand. English makes you independent. English also makes friends. You meet new people. You share stories. You learn cultures. English creates global family. Many people fear English. They think, "I will make mistakes. My accent is bad. People will laugh." These are myths. Mistakes are teachers. Accent is identity. Practice is solution. No one is perfect. Everyone learns. Confidence is more important than grammar. Speak first. Correct later. Now listen carefully. This is your daily plan. Morning, 15 minutes. Read English news. Read loud. Afternoon, 15 minutes. Learn 5 new words. Use them. Evening, 20 minutes. Watch English videos. Repeat lines. Night 10 minutes. Write diary. Write thoughts. Speak with mirror 10 minutes. Talk to yourself. Practice daily. No break. No excuse. Let me tell you about Sunita. She was afraid of English. She avoided speaking. She lost jobs. One day she decided, I will change. She practiced daily. She made mistakes. She learned. After 1 year, she got a good job. She became confident. English changed her life. You can change too. Future is global. Future is digital. Future is fast. English will grow more. AI, robots, online work, all need English. If you start today, you will lead tomorrow. Late learners struggle. Early learners succeed. Start now. Friends, English is not luxury. English is necessity. English is not pressure. English is power. It gives knowledge, confidence, respect, success. Don't fear English. Love English. Practice English. Live English. Speak daily. Improve daily. Win daily. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep shining.